I'm Brittany with WTI, and nothing dresses up a backyard more than lights. And that's what these 100-foot string lights by TDLOL really did for our backyard project. We remodeled the backyard, we added a lot of steps. The sun goes down, you really want to make sure everyone is able to navigate safely. But you also want it to still look beautiful. We worked really hard on this backyard. We want to make sure we don't detract by using floodlights or anything like that. At first, I didn't really think we needed 100 feet because we don't have a huge backyard, but man, did we use every inch, because we were going in through our trees, around the pergola, and back to the house. We used every inch. And when we put it all together, plugged it in, boom, it blew my mind. It took my breath away how beautiful everything looked. And it lit up the whole area so nicely. You could see where you were going, but look beautiful at the same time. If you can get something that is useful and beautiful, go for it. I think these were absolutely wonderful. They are waterproof. They come with hooks. They come with zip ties. Everything you need to install these. We worked really hard on this backyard remodel, and this was just truly the icing on the cake. It took it from a beautiful daytime to now continuing to look beautiful in the nighttime. And I truly appreciate it. If you are looking to light up and beautify your backyard, this is the string lights for you. And that's my point of view.